Hello everybody, this is a video that I've decided to do to show how I've repaired the deck of my Champion lawnmower, which the handle began to feel really loose, and when I got it stripped down, ground off the muck and everything that was on the outside, and then finally cut away the perforated metal. This is what I'm left with it, and that's why the handle felt slack. It is still attached, so I've bent it back because it did get a bit bent. I've bent it back to there's the good one, which is still well supported by the integrity of the deck. So I've got it into position, and I've made up a couple of plates that I'm going to gas weld into place. It's just some pieces of scrap metal from an old frame that I had. So this is sort of at the pre-weld stage, so I'll take some more footage of the repair as I go. Right, see you soon. Well, here we are about an hour later, and the plates are welded in now. There's a little bit more perforation. If you come close, you'll see. So I need to put extra plates in sort of on the end of that, but let me just get a glove. That's now solid, so you know, integral with the deck again. So there's a bit more perforation around here, so that needs an extra piece of plate welding in there and on the top. But so far so good. See you in a bit. Right, here we are another hour or so later, and the weld repair is finished, ready for painting. The perforation did go a little bit further than I originally anticipated, so you can now see the extent of the repair plates I've had to put in to be able to weld to solid metal, so that it didn't just burn through. But the mount for the handle, which was extremely slack, is now totally solid, as good as the other side, which wasn't damaged in any way. So yeah, it'll get a coat of paint and then the engine back in, and all good for the summer. Right, cheers, thanks for watching. Okay, the lawnmower deck has now been fully prepared for painting. So it's been rubbed down, all the rust has been removed back to bare metal. So the next step is an undercoat and then a top coat. The underside has been, I've used car underseal to protect the underside, which is vulnerable to rusting, obviously, with damp grass. So we'll see what it looks like after the undercoat maybe, and then definitely after the top coat. So here's the lawnmower deck after 2 coats of white metal primer. It seems to have gone on and covered quite well. So here's the project complete. It's all back together. It's had 2 coats of primer, 2 coats of gloss. The engine's been apart and overhauled. There was a problem with the exhaust, which had a loose plate inside, which I had to re-weld in. It was making a rattling sound, so it sounds a lot smoother now when it's running. You can probably see the weld repair there, hopefully, if you catch it in the light. So all good for the summer. Let's see what she sounds like. So all good. Thanks for watching.